What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So my Mac Mini M2 has arrived. We're going to be unboxing this today and taking a look at it. I've been anticipating this device for a while. I had the Mac Mini M1 back in the day, and I ended up selling that, and I kind of regretted selling it after I got rid of it. I got rid of it in favor of what I've been using the last year and a half or so, the MacBook Air M1, and I got this because I wanted to be a little bit more mobile with my device. So I picked up the M1 and I was using it here at my desk, connected to my monitor as my desktop setup. And over time, I got tired of unplugging it from the monitor, putting it in my bag, bringing it back, plugging it back in, and doing that after a certain amount of time. I just decided to leave this on my desk. And I picked up an iPad, I picked up Samsung devices and stuff like that. Mostly when I do my video editing, I do it from with my iPad or my Samsung tablet. Rarely do I edit right here at my desk, so I decided to leave the MacBook Air in place, and it's been great. Having my monitor strain and the strain on the MacBook Air M1 was great. It was like a dual screen setup. So, but I always miss having a dedicated desk setup. So decided to pick this up. Originally, I ordered the 512 gigabytes of storage version. Watched Jay Will's video, and I thought about what he said on his video, and I decided to drop it down to the 256. Now, this is the base model, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. This is going to be great because normally all I do at my desk, surf the web, watch movies, answer emails, and things like that. I don't really do a lot of editing from my desk, but I know if I want to, then I can definitely do it with this. So here it is, the MacBook Air M1. This is the packaging it comes in. Here's some of the specs. So as you guys see, 8 gigabytes of unified memory, 256 gigabytes of SSD, Mac Mini with Apple M2 chip right there. You guys can also see the specs on it: 8 core CPU, 10 core GPU, 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI port, 2 USB-A ports. You're going to have an Ethernet port. You got a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. This has Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and it's going to weigh 2.6 pounds right there. And this is it. So this is the packaging. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Once you've seen all Mac Mini unboxings, they're all pretty much the same. I don't remember the box being this thick last time though, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And here it is. There's the first look at it. Now it comes in just one color from what I understand. This is silver. Here it is. Very nice, man. There it is. We're going to take a look at what's all in the packaging. So, of course, you're going to get your packet here with designed by Apple in California. So you're going to get a little brochure here telling you everything you need to know. You're going to get some safety, warranty, regulation stuff here. And, of course, we get an Apple sticker, which is silver as in color. So always nice to have that sticker. What do you guys do with your stickers? Mine stay in the box. So, of course, we're going to have the power cord as well. Let's go ahead and get this out. I'm going to need it. So I don't tear up this stuff here in case I want to sell it in the future. Then, you know, I'll repackage it just like it came. Seem to get a little bit more value like that. People like to have all the stuff intact. So that is pretty much all in the box. I'm going to put the box over to the side, take a look at the device here. So the power cable there. So you got your big Apple logo there. Let's go ahead and peel this piece of tape off here. Let's take a look at the bottom of it first. So they're giving you some important information here, telling you some different things there. Peel this off. So as you guys see, it says Mac Mini right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then let's peel this other sticker off right here. And this will reveal all of your ports. So you got your power button, you got your ACN Ethernet port, your two Type-C Thunderbolt ports, HDMI, you got two USB-A ports, and your 3.5 millimeter jack right there. Got a ventilation port right there. And going around it, you got an LED power indicator right there. And that is pretty much it, guys, as far as the unboxing on this. Also picked up the Satachi. I think that's how you pronounce that. I bought this. This is a aluminum stand hub for the Mac Mini. Hopefully that works with this one. The last time I had the Mac Mini, I didn't like having all the ports on the back of it like this. So this will put me a lot of ports in the front of it, and these have been out a long time. Some of the specs: aluminum construction, slim design. You get one USB Type-C port. You get additional, you get your audio jack port right there, SD and micro SD card slot, and you get 3 USB Type-A ports as well. So let's go ahead and open this up since I got it here. So I got the unboxing knife out, and let's go ahead and cut the tape here. Just 2 pieces here, and right there. All right. Okay, so here it is, and they have it in another box. So we'll peel this back. This thing is very lightweight too, man. I was expecting it to be a whole lot heavier. All right, so we get all of this stuff out of the way. So in this box, what's in the box? You're gonna have your instructions manual here. That's gonna tell you everything you need to know about connecting this and getting it to work. So like I said, I hope this works with the M2 Mac Mini. So here it is. So you see your ports there. You got your micro SD card slot, your regular slot there. You got your 3.5, your 3 Type-A ports and a Type-C. That's not Thunderbolt. And then you got your port back here to connect it to your Mac Mini. So color match, let's see how close this is to the actual device. Pretty close, not exact, but close enough for me. And then you got your branding on the inside there. So this will go just like this. And that's how that's gonna look. Gonna be a very nice setup. This goes right back here into one of these ports, just like that. And this is how it's gonna look after you have it all set up right there. So I'm gonna get the Mac Mini set up, and I'll come back in a few days, so another week or so, and let you guys know what I think about the Mac Mini M2 and give my opinion on it. But I'll throw a little B-roll here at the end showing you how I eventually set this up and have it on my desk. So catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.